Hydropel by Bruce is engineered to resist water better than any wood floor on the market. But how water resistant is Hydropel? We asked world champion chopper Martha King to demonstrate how Hydropel by Bruce stands up to an extreme water event. With an innovative 6 dimensions of water protection on all sides, Hydropel by Bruce resists water for up to 36 hours, delivering extended protection against life's everyday spills. Superior water-resistant properties means patent-pending Hydropel performs confidently in any room, on any floor of your home. Resistant to topical and subfloor moisture, Hydropel can be installed in places other wood floors cannot, even basements, mudrooms, and entryways. Hydropel by Bruce is water-resistant, 100% hardwood, with no plastics that can warp when exposed to prolonged sunlight. Wood is ultra-compressed, creating a hyper-dense core, which resists water penetration. A proprietary edge sealant resists moisture. The precision locking profile creates an extremely tight seal, keeping water out from the very start. The result? Hydropel by Bruce is the only hardwood that is water resistant up to 36 hours. Hydropel by Bruce installs with no glue or nails required, so it's DIY friendly. With a wide and robust profile, it's not fragile like plastic core flooring. And it installs easier too. Best of all, Hydropel is real wood with a wide array of design options. Available in oak, maple, and hickory. Smooth, scraped, and brush textures, all with attractive micro edges and ends. The low-sheen, modern finish is available in 5-inch planks up to 48 inches long. A proprietary performance coating adds an extra layer of protection for superior scratch resistance and defense against fading from UV rays. Hydropel carries the Bruce 15-year limited commercial warranty and the Bruce Lifetime Limited residential warranty. The beauty of 100% real wood. The durability you expect from Bruce. And now, superior water-resistant technology. Hydropel, the smart choice to protect against life's little spills, or big spills as the case may be.